Hello everybody, welcome back. Now I'm going to explain about this login example. That is how to write a login program. There are 5 files required for this application. That is index.html, first servlet.java, login.dao.java, second servlet.java, and web.xml. I will go to Eclipse and see how to do this project. So first you need to excuse me. First you need to create a First, you need to create a dynamic web project login. Then inside the source folder, create a package com.login. Then I'm having two servlets. That is first servlet.java and welcome servlet.java. Then inside the web content, I'm having index.html. And inside webin folder, I'm having web.xml. Then the parameters, what are the parameters in web.xml? I have one servlet named as welcome servlet, and servlet class is com.login.welcome servlet. Com.login is the package name. And one more servlet I'm having, first servlet. Servlet name is first servlet. Servlet class is com.login.first servlet. Then inside servlet mapping of the first servlet, servlet name is welcome servlet, and URL pattern of welcome servlet is servlet 2. And inside servlet mapping of second servlet, first servlet name is servlet name is first servlet. URL pattern is servlet 1. So first servlet is the servlet 1 and welcome servlet is the servlet 2. Then inside welcome file list, I have taken the index.html. So once you go to index.html and you input type text name, you enter the username and password, and if you enter submit, then form action goes to servlet 1. That is the URL of the first servlet.java. Then here public class first servlet extends HTTP servlet and public void do post. This servlet need to post the values. So HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet response through servlet exception, IO exception. Then response dot set content type text or HTML, print writer out equal to response dot get writer. Then whatever values you entered here, those are acquired in this first servlet using the URL servlet 1. That is request.get parameter username stored in string n and request.get parameter user password stored in string p. If login DAO.validate of n comma p, go to the method inside login DAO, go to validate method. So inside this is the login DAO program. Inside login DAO, this is the validate method of string name and string pass. Boolean status is false. Try begin. Class.forName is com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Connection con equal to driver manager.get connection. This is the URL, username and password. In prepared statement, ps equal to com.prepared statement of select start from user age, where name equal to and pass equal to question mark. So before this, we need to create a table for the user age. So create table user age of name varchar 40 and password varchar 40. Then insert some values here. Insert into user age name comma pass values of Scott comma Scott. Scott is username and this Scott is the password. I inserted one value to check for validation. Then here we set the name and password into the prepared statement object. Then results at rs equal to prepared statement dot execute query. Then status equal to rs dot next. So then once the login is successful, it goes to welcome servlet and it acquires the username from the first servlet and then it says welcome username. So we'll check this application. First go to index.html, right click and say run as run on server and check the Tomcat server. Then select the appropriate project login and say finish. Then it asks the name and password, so I'm entering as Scott and Scott. Why? Because I inserted in the MySQL as Scott and Scott. Username as Scott and password as Scott. Then if I say login, it says welcome Scott. If I enter other than Scott, if I enter some other password, then it says sorry username or password error. So it is checking for validation whether the username and password is correct or not. So this is about the login. So hope you understood. So now this is the last video and the servlets classes in here. So I'll again continue in the JSP. We'll meet in the JSP videos.